Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a currency field in bit form. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the currency field. Drag and drop the currency field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the currency field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can modify it if needed. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the currency field. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. This feature allows you to provide clear instructions on what information to enter, making it easy for users to complete forms or documents. The helper text option enables you to provide short information about your input field, including any input restrictions and formatting requirements. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can show or hide the asterisk symbol by clicking this option. You can also choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before and after the label, on the right or left of the field. This option allows you to set a default amount value for the form field that will automatically populate when the form is loaded on the front end. The read-only option allows visitors to view information without editing it, and this option ensures that important details remain accurate and unchanged. The disable option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. If you enable this option, the currency field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the currency field will be visible. Using this option, you can set a minimum amount number for the users, and you can also set an error message that will be displayed when the limit is extended. This option enables you to establish a maximum limit for this field, and you can personalize the error message that will be displayed if the limit is exceeded. The input format options controls how data appears in an input field when a user interacts with it. There are two types of input formats available: browser and custom. If you enable this option, the currency symbol will not be shown, and if you disable this option, it will be displayed. By enabling this option, it will automatically round the currency field input value to the nearest whole number. By enabling this option, the default search placeholder text will be displayed. You can also add a custom placeholder text for this field. If you disable this option, the search placeholder text will be removed. This option enables you to personalize the text message that will appear when a searched currency is not found. By enabling this option, the flag image of the selected country will appear on the left side of the field. Enabling this option, the selected currency clearable button will be visible. This option allows users to clear the search country from the field. If you enable this option, the option flag's image will be visible, and if you disable this option, the option flag's image will be hidden. This option allows you to set the maximum height for the drop-down list. By establishing a maximum height, the drop-down list will show only a limited number of options at once. Users can scroll the remaining options as needed. This feature enables you to customize the label and currency list by adding or removing specific currencies as needed. You can also check a default currency, disable or hide specific currencies in the list, and make other modifications as needed. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the currency field. Here, you can see that the currency field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.